Are you a website developer, game developer, or someone who does a job where you have to write over 1,000 lines of code every day, debug them, or test them in various environments? Now imagine this: writing, debugging, and managing code faster than ever with the help of AI. It sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today I will share an AI-powered platform where you can do all of this. It's like an AI assistant that can not only explain your code, but also optimize it, improve its security, and even commit changes directly to GitHub, all in just a few clicks. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing CodeLLM Teams, a powerful new feature from Abacus AI. It's designed to make coding faster, smarter, and way more efficient, whether you're a solo developer or part of a team. And the best part? It works seamlessly with all the top AI models like Claude, GPT, Gemini, Qwen, and more. Okay guys, let me walk you through this amazing feature from Abacus AI called CodeLLM Teams. This tool is designed to make coding and project management super smooth and efficient, especially if you're working with AI. Here's the cool part. It costs just $10 per user, and they even offer the first month free when you sign up for 2 months. Sounds like a pretty good deal, right? Plus, it works with all the most popular AI models and neural networks. Let's get started with CodeLLM Teams. If you are new to Abacus AI, click on the CodeLLM button here and download CodeLLM Teams. And if you are an existing user of the ChatLLM team, then select the CodeLLM tool from here and download the version for your device. Since I am a Windows user, I am downloading this version. After downloading, install it on your system like any other app. Once the app is installed and launched, log in to your ChatLLM team account. Okay, we are now logged in. Since I just installed the app, I have to create a new file. I am creating a new test file. Our file is ready. Now, on the right side, you will find 2 options: Chat and Agent. If you click on the drop-down menu, you will find all the powerful LLM models like Claude Sonnet 3.7, O3 Mini-High, DeepSeek, Qwen, and others. CodeLLM can write code in Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C#, C++, PHP, Ruby, Go, Swift, Kotlin, SQL, HTML, CSS, Rust, R, and more. There are a bunch of different options. With the help of CodeLLM, you can write new code, debug existing code, optimize your code, implement design patterns, work on API development, test strategies, create database queries, and perform various operations. You can work on both back-end and front-end development. For example, with CodeLLM, I can create a social media post scheduler or a financial report generator. The only limitation is my imagination. Okay, let's start with a basic project. Let's create an inventory management app using CodeLLM. First, we have to select the LLM models. Claude Sonnet 3.7 is now the most powerful at this moment to write any code. So, I am selecting Claude Sonnet 3.7. After selecting the LLM, we have to write what we want in our project. For example, I am typing Create Inventory Management System App, and then hit the Send button. And you can see that Claude Sonnet 3.7 is writing the code. And here it is. We have got the code. Claude Sonnet wrote the code in Python. Here, under the code, you will find 3 buttons: Copy, Insert, and Apply. You can copy the code and paste it into any Python terminal. If you click on Insert, the code will be inserted into the CodeLLM terminal. And with the Apply button, you can add the code to any existing file. We will talk about this later. Okay, now I am pressing Ctrl+S to save the code. Now click on the Play button from here to run the code. If Python is not installed yet on your system, you have to do it. And here it is, the inventory management software is now running. It's a pretty simple inventory management application. Now you can add any product to this inventory. For example, I am adding a desktop RAM. Set the name, category, supplier, quantity, and price. Once everything is set, hit the Add Product button, and you can see the product has been added to the product list. Now in the same method, you can add any other item to the inventory. Like professional inventory management software, you can create stock in and stock out also. This is really a complete software package. Now, imagine you want to customize the software. You can do that with a text command. For example, I want to add buy products and sale products in this app. So I am just typing Please add section to buy and sell. The new code is generating. Once the code is ready, replace the existing code and then run the code again. And now you can see that the sell product and buy product sections have been added to the app, and you can easily use them. So now you can create any kind of app using the CodeLLM team, even if you have zero knowledge of coding. Alright, now let's create an HTML code. I am simply asking it to create a tic-tac-toe game. Okay, my code is ready. Now I will create a new page and paste it manually. Let's save the file and open it in my browser. And here it is. The game is working. So, yeah, CodeLLM is a practical tool that is extremely easy to use. Even non-coders can learn coding quickly with this tool. So don't forget to try this amazing platform. For only $10 per month, you can access a huge number of tools from the ChatLLM team and CodeLLM. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinions about CodeLLM. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.